So I'm going to draw from my imagination a bird's nest in a tree. I'm going to be using this in a piece of animation that I'm trying to create. It's going to take me a while to piece it all together, but here we go. So the colours I've got here are acrylic paints. I'm just using browns and greens and a bit of yellow. I'm not sure about this lime green, maybe a bit off. And I've got my water down here, and I've got my tissues. Now setting it all up was very difficult because I had to make sure that I was in the picture as well as you could actually see what's going on. So here we go. So I haven't drawn anything on the paper. It's just going to be all done by using my paintbrush. So here we go. So I should have checked first to see if these paints are off. Okay. Never done a painting standing up. Do the nest round about here. Paintbrushes I'm using a very thick paintbrush here, and I'm using a fine. Now, not a lot of detail on this because I will be adding detail to the drawing once I add it into my video. Birds are amazing how they are able to collect branches or whatever they can find, and they put them together and they carefully make a nest. It's very clever what they do. Very clever. I'll let the paint dry because it's quite dark, and I'll add some green in there. So I'll add some leaves. The reason why I like acrylics is because the paints dry quickly and you don't have to wait for them to dry. I have no idea how this picture is going to end up or how it's going to turn out, because I'm just drawing this from my imagination. So I'm happy with that. I'll maybe add a little blue in the background there. Grey background. So I'll add the mother bird here, and I'll add the smaller chicks in there. I may do another painting later on, but you get the idea. And once I export this into my computer program, I'll get my pens and I'll add all the detail in there, like extra detail and all the twigs and branches, because I can do it with my paintbrushes, but this way I can get the basic shape together a lot quicker than I can on using Paint Shop or whatever. And it looks more, I don't know, I just like the look of a real painting and some animation. So there we go, one bird nest and a tree. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my song as well. Have a wonderful day tomorrow. And my name is Darren. If you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.